Hey everybody, and welcome to Lady T's Things That Bling. I'm Lady T, and today I'm going to show you how I created a mirror using a charger from Dollar Tree and some 20 millimeter beads that I got from Amazon. You can see me here just gluing the first row of beads on. And I used 38 of those 20 millimeter beads on each row. Was it 30? It's 34. Nope, 38. 38 beads per row. I believe that came out to 114 beads if you're using the the 20 millimeter size. If you use anything smaller, you will definitely be using more beads. Now you see me putting on row 3, and on each row I started going in between the beads, basically staggering them. So I like that look. It really doesn't take long to do that either. Just put the glue on the charger and keep it moving. Now you see that necklace that I got from the Dollar Tree, and currently it is purple, but we're going to handle that. Everything's going to be the same color when we get done. So I'm just taking the hot glue and going around the edge of the charger, right below the beads, the last row of beads. And I'm being careful to make sure I press down the flat part of the bead so that it will be laying flat instead of sticking up. I did have to use another bead, another necklace, actually, because it wasn't quite long enough to go around the whole charger. You have to be careful with these necklaces too, because sometimes they're not always right, and sometimes they are a little irregular, so you have to make sure that you check it out so it won't have to be all messed up on your beautiful mirror. Yeah, so I took these outside and sprayed them gold. I didn't want to go through the process of having to set up and then go outside and try to film me doing it. So you can see there that I did paint them gold. And now I'm applying the mirror. This is a 10-inch mirror that I got from Amazon. However, you can get a mirror this size at Michael's, but I did get a box of them from Amazon early last year, and I'm just now starting to use them. These are vase fillers that I got from Michael's. And all I'm doing is putting some glue in the hole and sticking the vase fillers in the holes, because the mirror to me wouldn't look right with just the holes. So I am Lady T's Things That Bling, so I had to add the bling to it. So this is a close-up of what I was doing. And again, it doesn't take long. Just get some glue in there and keep it moving. Okay. If you guys hear any noise, I am by a window while I'm recording this, so please excuse the noise. Now here's another set of necklaces that I got from the Dollar Tree. You know, always known as Mardi Gras beads for the most part. So they were very light gold. And I did have another pair that was really, really gold. But these are perfect for this project because the gold is a light gold and it matches the color on the beads. So as you can see, I'm just putting this around the perimeter of the mirror, and I am going to have to use two small beads to finish off putting the necklace around the perimeter of the mirror. But no problem, because when you cut these beads, they don't fall all apart. They really don't. So again, this mirror, without me filming Only took me about an hour to do. The longest part was spray painting and waiting for it to dry. Other than that, this was a very quick process. If you want to do this mirror and you don't have that much time, this would be a great mirror to do. Because all you have to do really is glue, glue, glue for the most part. So I did put a hanging device on the back of this mirror. I should have done it before I actually did the mirror, but I wasn't thinking. And I don't have that footage, but if I were you, I would put a hanging device on the back of the mirror before you start putting the beads and everything on, because it could possibly come apart. It didn't for me, but I did what I had to do. So this is the end. This is the finished part of the mirror. I hope you like it. My background is not good, so that's why you see all the other stuff. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks. Lady T signing out.